Welcome back to the InfoFlux. Nowadays, sensors play a major role in the safety and security of homes and offices by detecting smoke, fire, or gas and provide an alarm to the concerned person. So, in today's tutorial, we are going to interface the MQ2 gas sensor within Arduino. The MQ2 sensor can detect various gases like smoke, LPG, and methane. We will check the detection of these gases in this tutorial. It's a great sensor for building project like a smoke detector or gas leakage alarm. So let's get started. Here what you will need for this project. Arduino MQ2 gas sensor, OLED display, buzzer module, jumper wires, and breadboard. The MQ2 gas sensor operates on 5-volt DC and consumes approximately 800 milliwatt. It can detect LPG, smoke, alcohol, propane, hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide concentration ranging from 200 to 10,000 ppm. The MQ2 gas sensor detects multiple gases but cannot identify them. That is normal. Most gas sensor operates in this manner. Therefore, it is best suited for measuring changes in a known gas density rather than detecting which one is changing. MQ2 sensor consists of 4 pins: VCC, ground, digital pin, and analog pin. The MQ2 sensor has a built-in potentiometer that allows you to adjust sensor digital output threshold. This threshold sets the value above which the digital pin will output a high signal. The MQ2 sensor has two onboard LEDs. The power LED turns on when power is applied to the breadboard, and the D out LED turns on when the trigger value set by the potentiometer is reached. First, let's wire the MQ2 sensor to the Arduino. The MQ2 sensor has 4 pins. Connect the VCC pin of the MQ2 sensor with 5 volt of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the MQ2 sensor with ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the A0 pin of the MQ2 sensor with A0 pin of the Arduino. Next, wire up the SSD1306 OLED display. Connect the VCC pin of the OLED display to 5 volt of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the OLED display to ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the SCL pin of the OLED display to A5 pin of the Arduino. Connect the SDA pin of the OLED display to A4 pin of the Arduino. Next, wire up the buzzer module. Connect the VCC pin of the buzzer module to 5 volt of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the buzzer module to ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the signal pin of the buzzer module to digital pin 3 of the Arduino. Let's test the sensor. I am going to light a match and blow out the flame to produce smoke. As you can see, when the smoke enters the sensor vicinity, the values on the OLED display increases, indicating that the sensor is detecting the smoke and the buzzer immediately activates. Next, I am testing this sensor to butane, LPG, liquid petroleum gas, as the lighter consists of butane gas. So when I bring the lighter near the sensor without igniting it, the value on the LED display increased and the buzzer turned on. Finally, I am testing it for the natural gas, which consists of 95% of methane gas. And you can see the value on the LED display is changing and the buzzer is turned on. And that's it. We have successfully created a smoke, butane and methane gas alarm using the MQ-2 sensor and Arduino. In the upcoming tutorial, I will make it with GSM module to create SMS based smoke, LPG and methane gas detector. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting Arduino projects. See you in the next video.